Hi everyone, it's Johnny Amico and thanks for catching up with me. All right, I wanted to officially invite all of you to our 42nd annual Chicago event. The invitations, these brochures were mailed out yesterday, so you should be getting them in the mail. I know many of you have already registered, but I wanted to just make the official invite to all of you. It's about 6 weeks away, so we're coming down to the wire in terms of making sure all of you can attend the event. All right, at this year's event, I've got some exciting news, and that is we have a brand new location. The location is at the Oak Brook Hills Hilton. It's a resort, and being a resort, there's a few extra amenities, and with those extra amenities, we have more breakout rooms. With more breakout rooms, we're now able to have some hands-on workshops, some breakout rooms, and of course, our favorite main stage. So that'll take place both Sunday and Monday. The event is September 15th and September 16th. September 15th, we do have a evening awards dinner, and September 16th, we do have a lunch. But with your reservations, it includes all of your meals. It also includes your awards dinner. So make sure you register today for the event. Now you can register in two ways. The first way is give us a call here at the office. You can speak with one of our educational coordinators and they'll go ahead and take your reservation. Or the second way is go to John Amico Pro, click on johnamicopro.com, click on Chicago or Education, and you can register there. Or just go right to chicagobeautyshow.com and you'll be able to register for the event. Again, it's September 15th and 16th. It's an all-new location. Okay, why do you want to come? Who's going to be there? Well, first off, we've got some really good industry experts. We have Hiram Preston from Toronto. We've got James Coughlin from Ireland. We have Maria Mileta from Italy. We also have Steve Reese. We also have some very good business people. I was at an event for Modern Salon earlier this year, and we booked some of their special business specialties speakers, and they are, we've got the power couple coming from Texas. We also have another good speaker by the name of Harry Wood, and he's coming from Atlanta, Georgia. So really good business people as well. Anyway, besides the fun, the camaraderie, the motivation, education, it's just great to see all of you. So please come in. We're looking forward to seeing you. New location, and I think all of you will really be excited about it. All right, September 15th and 16th, register now. We'll see you soon. Thanks for catching up with me.